how our app YammyDiet works. So when you first open the app, you'll see this screen which has a little discussion of what this app is about. So what our app is mainly about is teaching people what type of pairings make a good food nutritional sense. So what you do is you tell Yammy what you're planning to eat. It'll recognize what the ingredients are inside the things you're eating, and then give you a suggestion for a food pairing that will make it a nutritional boost. So I first set up my companion, confirm I'm 18, and then you have a list of different options for your food preferences, your diet preferences. And so I'm an omnivore. I don't have any allergies, so I'll leave it for now. And then once you go to the next section, you can give it some suggestions of what foods you want to exclude, because maybe you don't like that type of food or you have other medical reasons you can't have them, and then what type of suggestions you want to have. So it's optimized now for a quick add-on, and then what type of preferences you want. So you can also use this app to have more of a longer term diary. If you keep giving it kind of the foods that you're eating and the pairings that you have over time, it can give you ideas of what nutrients you're lacking, what nutrients you have a lot of, and so give you some suggestions of what things you can add to your day. So I'll start pairing, and it gives us a few different examples here. You can also just write down your meal here. So this time I'm going to use pasta with tomato sauce because that's what I'm having tonight. And then you click recognize foods. It'll recognize the ingredients in there, pasta, tomato, right? You can also add ingredients directly. Perhaps if you didn't find it here in your meal section, you can add the ingredients here directly, and you can have saved meals locally here. And so I'll find a pairing, and add a few slices of avocado, and it'll explain why that is the case. Because tomato is carotenoid rich, and you want a good source of unsaturated fat. So although it gives you a suggestion of avocado, from this you can learn unsaturated fat. You can go on to search what type of sources of unsaturated fat are there, but because I just wanted a quick pairing, it'll just give me the quick suggestion. If I chose the other options, it would give me more options to look at different pairings. So how did we use GPT and Codex? So actually we use Soul Ultra to give us a prompt to put into Codex, and then once we built that in Soul Ultra, we used Codex to pretty much code the whole thing. We iterated based on things were not working the way we wanted to, but we used Codex to code the whole thing, and it worked really well, and it really helped us bring our idea to life. And so without Codex, we wouldn't have been able to make such an app so quickly. But it's a very good way to put kind of the ideas you have in your head and just bring it out there, and then it's come together like this. So thank you for looking at our app, and I hope you really enjoy it. And that's all for this recording.